Tasty.
Picture.
Chopping! Oh, jeez! I almost dropped it.
Just kidding. Guaranteed to go down.
Jesus.
Oh, jeez.
Ready for this?
Exploring the deep hole. Oh. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's a light at the end of the tunnel. 34C! Oh my god, Lucy. Ooh, that's sexy.
I wish I could fit into that size. Except that is my size. So hey guys.